Need a new hire to complete their tax or eligibility forms? Issuing digital W-4 and I-9 forms through ADP's onboarding is faster, more secure, and paperless. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. When you add a new employee or initiate the onboarding workflow, ADP will prompt you to select which forms they need to complete. You simply check the boxes for Form W-4 and Form I-9. ADP then sends the employee a secure link to their email. They can complete the W-4 digitally. For the I-9, they fill out Section 1, and then you, as the employer, physically examine their documents and complete Section 2 within the ADP system. My crucial pro tip: use the I-9 tracking dashboard. ADP provides a central place to see the status of all I-9s, who's completed Section 1, whose documents you need to verify, and which forms are past due. It's essential for compliance. Just like that, you modernize a critical new hire paperwork process. Which form do you find more cumbersome to manage, the W-4 or the I-9? Tell me below. If guides that simplify compliance help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.